People often ask me if they have heart disease and they go on a plant-based diet, can they come off of the medications they're on, like their statin? So I often remind people that heart disease, once you already have heart disease, it's very hard to make up for the damage that's already been done. That's not supposed to be depressing. That's supposed to be motivating, actually. So we know that plant-based eating and plant-forward eating is optimal in heart disease. We also know that statins are extremely impactful because they reduce cholesterol and they stabilize plaque. So, since we have the data that statins are so beneficial, and we know that plant-based eating and plant-forward eating is optimal, why wouldn't you do both? Why wouldn't you give heart disease the 1-2 punch? And so you know that two things are highly effective to reduce your risk of heart disease in the future. Why not use both?